welcome back. Here's part 2 of the 16 dating app tips to attract a partner. If you missed any of the previous dating tips, you can find them under Dare to Date Differently. So here's number 5. Take your time and read their bio. Not from an elimination point of view, but from commonalities and curiosity. Do their values and goals align with yours? Number 6, don't rely on their looks alone. Look deeper at their pictures. What's in the picture? What's their surroundings? Can you imagine yourself there in that person's life? Number 7, don't let their looks be the only determining factor. Now think back to some of your best relationships. Were they with drop-dead gorgeous people? Probably not. Number 8, be honest about yourself. Now you and I, we're not the best looking people out there. But you know what? We're also not the ugliest either. In reality, we're pretty basic. So stop thinking you can only go out with a 10 when you're probably a 7 or an 8. Some of the best partners are average looking people who are also warm, kind, happy, loving, and successful. And isn't that what you want? Come back to see part 3 of the 16 dating tips using dating apps.